Hello? 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 Hey, today's video is unboxing a pair of shoes. They're the Vibram 5 Fingers LX. So this is actually the second time I bought this pair of shoes. So I bought a replacement for my first one. And yeah, today we're gonna unbox it and see what's changed. Right now, the authenticity is very high and that the box is wrinkly and a bit crushed. So, you know, it's traveled to get here with some character. Alright, let's see what's inside. Oh man, you are the technology. Wow. Oh, it's got some fitting tips. Ooh, this product uses a high quality microfiber suede. Nice. And the color may run. Getting to know your feet, very important. Oh, I even got a little sticker of a foot, of a toe shoe foot. Oh man. Wow. Dang. What am I supposed to do in an unboxing? So, man, this looks pretty nice. Notice like the webbing in between the toes. It's like really shiny. So it looks good. It smells good. That micro suede smell. Man, smells like fresh shoe. Oh man, that fresh shoe smell. Smells like a new car, but better. Oh, it feels good. The rubber. Man, can you hear that? That's that rubbery sole. Man, but what does it taste like? All right. Time to try this puppy on. Yeah. Okay. Pretty solid, pretty tight shoe. So this is my earlier pair of Vibram El-X. A friend got this for me for my birthday, and man, it was probably the best toe shoes I've ever had. I ran these into the ground, pretty much literally, like a gaping hole here, and the foot pad has split back out into a very flat surface, no longer curved to your foot. So people also wonder, like, are you gonna step on something and it's just gonna pierce the shoe? I never had that issue in over a year of running with them and like asphalt and other places. The only time that's ever happened to me is when I kept running on my shoes even when they had holes in them. So the big toe, it's got like a significant hole, and I was running, and this is really gross, you'll probably want to skip this part, but I was running outside on the asphalt, and towards the end of my run, I stepped on a shard of glass on my big toe, and I thought it was like a splinter. So I stepped on a shard of glass, and I thought it was a splinter at the time. And I actually walked on it for a couple of days, hoping it would just work its way out, and eventually I was able to get it with the tweezers after a couple days, after I soaked my foot in like hot water and the pores opened up. And then once I did extract it, oh, it was really gross, but after I took out the shard from my foot, after soaking it for a couple of days, after soaking it in hot water, and after really trying and like digging deep, and I finally pulled it out, and it was about like a centimeter long shard of glass that got stuck in my toe. Oh gosh, it was pretty gross. Now you have to live with that story too. But yeah, so otherwise, when the shoes are fully functional and have no holes, I've never had an issue. And I've gone hiking with these shoes before at Red Rock. And yes, the little rocks do get stuck in between your toes, and you have to stop and clear out the rocks and stuff. But it performed really well, although I would say hiking with these shoes does significantly decrease their longevity. So it's going to scratch up your shoes, it might cause some holes. Most of the holes I've gotten in my shoes are from like hiking with them. But they're also a really good shoe to take into water or the ocean or to sand or anything like that. But yeah, jagged rocks, no go. So one thing that's really cool about Vibram as well is they give a small guide on how to adjust your feet to actually walk in barefoot shoes. It could take, you know, several weeks, a couple months, depending on your base, of how long it will take you to adapt to barefoot walking and running. I would definitely recommend, you know, like they say, for the first weeks, do short daily sessions, mostly walking, and when you do start running, run like less than half, maybe 1/4 of the distance you normally do in these shoes, and go on some kind of soft natural environment like dirt or, you know, foam rubber or grass, something nice and soft for a couple of weeks. But yeah, time to test these shoes out.